There are many things around us. Some of them are made by nature, whereas the others are made by men. The things that are made by nature are known as natural things, and the things that are made by men are known as man-made things. And all the man-made things are actually made up of natural things. Now take a look at this dog. A dog is a natural thing. A dog cannot be made by men. Students, let us observe the various activities of this dog.
This dog is eating food. And now it is running.
Look, the dog is also breathing.
And did you notice that the dog is taking its tongue out while breathing?
The dog also has small puppies of its own. These baby dogs then grow up into a big dog. Now you all have observed the various activities of the dog, haven't you? Take a look at this pencil. Does this pencil eat food as the dog does?
No, it doesn't. It doesn't even have a mouth to eat.
Does it run from one place to another?
No, it doesn't run either.
A pencil doesn't breathe as the dog. It doesn't have a nose to breathe. Have you ever seen a pencil giving birth to a new one? No, you haven't.
A pencil cannot give birth to babies. If a pencil could give birth to a new one, we didn't have to buy any new pencils, isn't it? And a pencil cannot grow either.
Yes, a pencil cannot eat food.